you found me.
Doon ka, Claire, ano ba?
So long and I told you, deep inside my heart I knew,
Teka lang.
baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be, with all my heart and soul.
Ano ba yung video ko? Iba na
As long as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny.
Wala na ako. Meron niya.
Someone like you, someone that I could hold on to, and give my love until the end.
What time na lagay doon? Bang forever time.
That whoever touched the world, something that only her
Okay, pala.
but now you're all
Nahirapan ako sa Claire, dapat wala ka lang.
baby, you're my destiny.
Saka na ako, mag-bisa ko muna sa labas.
Hawakan mo muna.
Ano na lang yun?
Ano na siya?
Oh, you're
Uy, nakatayo kayo. Sasayaw kami.
Sayaw naman kayo dalawa bago kasal. Oo, tapos ay sinanay ko ng pera.
Oo nga. May mga panyo-panyo. Ay, yun lang. Ito kay Ate Harry, oh. Ano yung parang sa... Ayun.
Sa ating...
Uy, yung excited si Ate makita kasal niya at ABA.
You and I were meant to be, with all my heart and soul. I give my love to heart and home, and as long as I can feel, then now I feel
Eternity pa.